how we can really increase our enthusiasm and open the channels and the pipes that this energy flows into our bodies. The first thing is meditation. My daddy said once, the bear, he said, has one song, and always he sings the same song. And I have the same song, meditation. I love bears. Without meditation, you cannot go really find that. What is meditation? You see, meditation, people think that is sitting and thinking and hallucinating and telling mantras, being stupid, jumping down and up and dancing and flirting, this or that, this or that. It's not. Really, what the meditation is, pulsation of that inner fire. Breaking, hindrances. Eventually, you see that the electrical framework, network, is all illuminated. Yeah, that's the third initiation, in which your physical, emotional, mental body is in the fire of enthusiasm. Your psychic energy is palpitating. And then, wherever you are, you challenge, you create, you charge the same enthusiasm within each other. If they continue feeling it, they start going to the source how to create enthusiasm. Or not, slowly it vanishes. They feel very high, very beautiful, but eventually it vanishes. I saw many people like that. They start very enthusiastic because they are like moons taking the energy of the sun, you see. Energy of their friends or teacher or somebody. They became enthusiastic. But when the source vanishes, or they don't have any more contact with the source, they, like a balloon, slowly lose their air. And it's gone. So the first thing is meditation. Meditation, don't take lessons from us. If you want to take, you're welcome. We have 9 kinds of courses, fantastic courses. That is not artificial plasters you. See, there are many courses that they plaster you. And you feel so good plastered. And you are 85 years, looks like 17 years old girl. And it happens miracles to your life, you see. It is plastering. What is non-plastering unfoldment? Non-plastering unfoldment is come within your center and opens it. And it's not artificial anymore. It is you. So you are in your fingertips. You are on your lips. You are in your hand. You are in your body. You are there in it. You occupied it. You controlled and mastered it. You are there. See? So the first thing is meditation. First, do meditation every morning. Sit down and think about something very beautiful. That's it. That's meditation. Take a book and read very carefully with questions and answers, with search and penetration. That's meditation. That's meditation. Or do something really as if you are completely there. For example, sewing, knitting, painting, even houseworks. For example, you are cleaning your kitchen. Don't put rock and roll there and start dancing and doing things. You are not there. Don't create things that they make you absent from what you are doing. You understand me? I wish I had a better English to talk to you. But this is enthusiastic.